How to add call now buttons on Facebook post. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can add call now button on Facebook post, most likely on your Facebook page. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is of course open your Facebook app. After that, launch it, and here you will be able to see this interface. What I want you to do is tap on your profile or your Facebook page. So here you need to tap on your page profile. After that, you need to scroll down a bit and create a post. So you see this post option here. What you need to do is just tap on it and create a post. Let's say I'm gonna create this random post for now. So here I'm gonna add a picture as well. Just scroll down and enter any of the picture that you like from your device. Here I'm gonna use this picture for now. After tapping on it, you will be able to see this three dot option below at the top bottom right. Just tap on that option and you will be able to see at the very last get calls option. What you need to do is tap on get calls and choose your country. Just choose your country and enter your phone number and tap on next. After giving you information of your phone number, you tap on next. And you can customize who can see your post, comment, scheduling options, collaborator, A/B test option. Just change it accordingly and tap on post. After that, wait for some seconds and your post will be available onto your page. And here you can see this call now option, which makes it convenient for your customers to call you on your post by directly seeing the product on your post. So thereby in this way you can add call now button on Facebook post by following this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.